Hi everybody, just back from my total knee replacement operation. Feeling kind of numb, can't feel nothing from the waist down. Really unusual sensation. The operation went well, couldn't ask for it to be better. I'm sure there's pain to come. I just had the pharmacist come down and subscribe me some codeine and says I'm going to need it. But I shall keep you all updated and with my recovery and hope I can get back to my other normal videos, which will be the DIY and the birds and the nesting, all my usual stuff. So, subscribe if you don't already, if